Welcome to VR Interphysics channel. If you like the video, like it, share it and subscribe my channel for next upcoming videos. Today we are going to discussing topic about formation of mirage, which is application of TIR. Hi, in our previous sessions already we discussed about the refraction, critical angle and total internal reflection. Today we are going to discussing topic about formation of mirage. So here, before going to the topic, first of all, what is the refraction? Bending of light when it travels from one medium to another medium. So this is called as a refraction of light. And what is the critical angle? Critical angle means when angle of refraction gets 90 degrees, that belonging of angle of incidence is called as a critical angle. So somewhere angle of incidence occurred by this one, angle of refraction gets the 90 degrees. So that angle of incidence is called as a critical angle. And what is the total internal reflection? Here, when angle of incidence is greater than to the critical angle, then the light will be reflected to that medium only. This phenomenon is called as a total internal reflection. So here the mirage formation is the one application of the total internal reflection. First of all, what is the mirage? Mirage means it is an optical illusion for a person. So here, what is the optical illusion? Actually there is no object will be there, but it will be looks like as an object. So that is called optical illusion. So here mirage is also one type of optical illusion. Mostly it will be occurs in the deserts. So here what happens? Actually here this is the surface of the sand. So when you are observing a tree which is there on the sand, a person is observing a sand somewhere from the object. So here a person is observing a tree in the desert. So here what happens? The ray of light will be comes from the sun, and here when the ray of light comes and it touches the sand becomes to the very hot. So due to this, what happens? The near place of the near surrounding of the upper layer of the sand will be gets the very hot. So here what happens? It will be gets the hot. So the density will be comes to the lower. So when you are taking the upper layers of the sand like this, then what happens? When you comes to the upside of the layers will becomes to the very cool. So the nearby surroundings of the sand will be gets the hot, and density will be goes to the lower. And here the upper layers will be gets to the cool, and here the density will be occurs to the high. So here what happens? The upper layers looks like as a denser medium, and the nearby places of sand looks like as a rarer medium. So these are the denser and these are the rarer mediums. So here what happens? When a ray of light will be travels and when it touches the object, so it means the tree, then what happens? It will be gets, and when it touches the upper layer of the one layer air, what happens? It will be moves away from the normal. Why? Because upper layers are the denser layers and lower layers looks as a rarer layers. So when a ray of light will be travels from denser to rarer, then what happens? It will be moves away from the normal. So here this is the normal. So then what happens? It will be moves like this away, and when it touches the second layer, here this is the normal. Now also what happens? It will be moves away like this, and here when it will be moves like this, it will be moves to the away. So what is happening? From every layer, when it touches it will be moves away from the normal. So like this, from layer to layer, somewhere it will be occurs the critical angle. And when angle of incidence is so here what happens? When angle of incidence is greater than to the critical angle, then total internal reflection will be occurs. So here what is the total internal reflection? When angle of incidence is greater than to the critical angle, the ray of light will be reflected to that medium only. It not will be refracted. Actually this layer it is reflected. Here also refracted. Here also refracted. When it reaches the total internal reflection, what happens? It will be reflects like this. And it will be reached to the eye of the human person. So it will be looks like it light is coming from the like this. So it will be feels here tree is there like this. So then what happens? The ray of light which is occurred by the total internal reflection, the light ray comes from the inverted image, looks like that. So this is the optical illusion. So by this a person will be able to see the image of the object and he will be concluded this is the object, but actually this is the image of the object and it will be formed as a mirage. So this is about the formation of the mirage. So here once again what is happening, when a ray of light will be travel from denser medium to rarer mediums, it will be refracts. When it will be refracts, it will be moves away from the normal. So from one layer to another layer, when it will be moves away from the normal, when it reaches the critical angle and total internal reflection, it will be reflects to that medium only. So by this one, what happens? Mirage will be formed by the person. So this is about the formation of mirage. And here so many applications are there for the total internal reflection, like optical fibers or otherwise diamonds. In the diamonds also it will be gets the shining. Why? Because due to the total internal reflection. So yeah, the formation of rainbow also one application of the total internal reflection. So this is about the formation of mirage. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, like it, share it and subscribe the channel for upcoming videos.